జయశ్రీ ఆల్రెడీ సిఎస్ఎస్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు కదా, సో మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నారా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి?
కొంతమందికి అవ్వలేదు కదా ఇక్కడ. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఏం చెప్పట్లేదు, ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ చెప్పేసేసి డైరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఓకేనా? వాట్ ఈస్ CSS? ఓకే, అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ CSS as generally means CSS is a cascading style sheets. Okay, here is a style sheet language. Actually we have already HTML part, wait a second, and used to describe the look and formatting of a web page written in HTML. Here what happened, you have HTML file, and for HTML file I need to change the appearance, totally appearance, using which one? CSS part. Using CSS part I will change the all the scenarios. Okay, so here we have the one extension for saving HTML, one extension. Okay, and HTML part we have the two extensions for saving HTML. What is that? Here for one extension for CSS, that will be the .css, and next one for HTML we have two extensions, that will be .html or .htm. okay, so this we have the two extensions. And here, and one more thing, we have the how to use the CSS. How to use the CSS here. Next question, how to use the CSS. How to use CSS is used to control, okay, control the layout, colors, fonts, and overall appearance. Okay, overall appearance, it will change of web elements. Okay, so it helps separate content HTML part, okay, from design. Here CSS part, making websites easier to maintain. So the loader issues will be very less here while you are going to creating CSS file and HTML file. You don't want to create in the one file only, that will be HTML file. It will accept it, but the loader issues will be coming. What is the loader issue actually? While you are going to application is running, the round circle is happening over there, that will be the loader issues. Okay, in that format you don't want to use in your one file as well, so you can use the two files. That's why we have the extensions over there, that will be .css and .html or html, and you need to use the JavaScript also the same, that will be the .js. I will tell you in the script part over there. Okay, in the CSS syntax how it will be, the CSS syntax will be the selector. Here what the selector you are going to writing over there, that will be the element selector or universal selector, anything. Okay, so you are going to writing the property here, property value. Okay, so this will be the selector. Like how will you you are taking the directly element name here, tag name is indicated by the element selector. So here that will be the color. I'm writing the property here. I'm giving the value here. The property will be the color and the value will be the blue. So here I'm writing normal thing here, that just a text, font size I'm going to decrease in here. The font size and 16 pixel. The 16 pixel will be the default one. Okay, so like that it will be indication. So how many types of comments we have here? How many types of comments we have in CSS? Okay, and how many types of comments we have in HTML? Okay, here we have the two types of comments in CSS. That will be single line comment and multi-line comment. Okay, and next here how many types of comments we have here? Here we have the three types of comments. That will be single line comment, multi-line comment and inline comment. Okay, so we have the three types of comments over there. And how many types of CSS we have? How many types of CS we have? We have three types of CSS. That will be three types of CSS. That will be inline CSS, external line CSS, internal line CSS. Okay, and how many types of HTMLs we have? There is a two types of HTMLs. That will be external HTML and internal HTML. So we have this many types of CSS we have. Are you understand what I am telling you? What is CSS and how the selectors we will use, and how many types of CSS and how many types of comments we have here. So this is the part to scenario. So I'm going to execute the